You just take that fire road right there and it goes straight up the ridge.
We are the off-road unit for the Los Angeles Police Department for the City of Los Angeles.
Video provided to NBC4 by LAPD. This is training for the off-road unit, the same training that makes days like Tuesday run-of-the-mill.
We were able to get to a location where patrol officers and cars weren't able to get to.
Yesterday, 3 burglary suspects led police on a pursuit, then took off running for the hills.
The last time I chased some suspect up the mountains has probably been a long time.
I spotted him, and then the rest of the team came in, and we basically took him into custody.
And yet very few even realize this elite unit exists. Special safety equipment.
We're able to, crash through brush a lot easier than a patrol officer would.
An armed utility belt, and the unit is off, going where no patrol car can.
The city has mountains throughout the whole entire city, parks and terrain that's rugged, not easily accessible by a patrol vehicle.
LAPD created the off-road unit in the 60s out of the Valley Traffic Division. Photos from the 80s show how they've progressed. It's a part-time gig, though. They only go out once a week on patrol in the foothills. They had just finished their morning patrol yesterday when they were called to the chase.
What these bikes can do is amazing.
Most of the unit has personal dirt bikes, too, making work seem anything but.
Get a good feeling, yeah. Oh, sometimes I get a good feeling, yeah. I get a feeling that I never had before. No, I get a good feeling, yeah.
Yes, I can. Doubt, better leave. I'm running with this plan. Pull me, grab crabs in the bucket, can't have me. I'll be the president one day. January 1st. Oh, you like that gossip? Like you the one drinking what gossip.com. Now I got a word for your tongue. How many Rolling Stones you want? Yeah, I got a brand new spirit speaking and it's done. Woke up on the side of the bed like I won. Talk like a win in my chest to that sun. G5 in the US to Taiwan. Now who can say that? I wanna play back. Mama knew I was a needle in a haystack. A Bugatti boy, plus Maybach. I got a feeling it's a rap. ASAP.
Oh, sometimes I get a good feeling, yeah. Get a good feeling, yeah. Oh, sometimes I get a good feeling, yeah. I get a feeling that I never had before. No, I get a good feeling.
The mountaintop, walk on water. I got power, feel so royal. 1 second, I'ma strike for you. Diamond, platinum, no more for you. That adrenaline, never giving in. Giving up's not an option, gotta get it in. Witness, I got the heart of 20 men. No fear, go to sleep in the lion's den. That glow, that spark, that crown. You're looking at the king of the jungle now. Stronger than ever, can't hold me down. 100 miles gunning from the pitcher's mouth. Straight game face, it's game day. See me running through the crowd full of melee. No trick plays, I'm Bill Gates. Take a genius to understand me.
Oh, sometimes I get a good feeling, yeah. Get a good feeling, yeah. Oh, sometimes I get a good feeling, yeah. I get a feeling that I never had before. No, I get a good feeling.
I love the life that we live in.
Oh, sometimes I get a good feeling, yeah. I get a feeling that I get a good feeling.